Are you feeling very excited? Hey, where's that little tail wag? Where's that little tail wag that I saw a second ago? Oh, really? Well, get comfortable, hey. Why don't you just get nice and comfy? Oh, my goodness. Make yourself at home. Good grief. Where am I going to sleep? Where am I going to sleep, Tokes? What a rat bag. Well. Oh, no, not quite there. Not quite there yet. Oh, is that the spot? Is that the spot right there? Yeah, right in the middle of the bed. Yep. That's about right. That's about right, isn't it? Yes. My goodness. Directly in the middle. You are such an animal. Yes, you are. You are. Bed hog. Like all the animals. Yes, big bed hog.